Coming up next, I'm gonna show you exactly how many sprays and where I spray my fragrance every day and what I recommend that you do also, especially if you're looking for some guidance on this. So stay tuned, quick video coming up next. Welcome back everybody to Joel the Nose. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing for those who have already done it. If not, I'd love your support, so go ahead and hit subscribe now so you get more content from me, which I think you'll find it's valuable. All right, I'm gonna do a video I've talked about frequently as far as how much fragrance to wear. My belief is that probably the great majority of people, I'd say probably close to 85–90% of people don't wear enough perfume or fragrance on their skin because they're so conscious, self-conscious, or afraid that they may be offending someone, whether it be in the workplace, an elevator, somebody who lives in a building. It's funny, I always hear these different reasons and excuses, and I've talked to a lot of people. For example, when I'm at Osme Perfumery here in Miami, I'm there, 3–4 days a week, and I'm always meeting subscribers, other fellow perfume lovers, like everyone watching this video, and we always talk about it. It's one of the most common questions I get when I'm there is, how much perfume do you wear? What do you recommend? So I want to do another video, and I want to show you exactly what I do. This is exactly what I pretty much do every morning. After I shower, I go to the gym first thing in the morning, I come back, I take a shower, and then I put on my perfume. I actually put on perfume for the gym, but I only put on maybe, just a couple sprays. This is what I do for my daily wear. I'm just gonna show you today, I'm actually wearing H24 from Hermes. This is like a green metallic, this is an eau de toilette. It's a lighter fragrance, very fresh, very green, very invigorating. I like it. Not everyone loves this one, but to each their own. So just gonna show you what I do. Again, I recommend 10 sprays. I spray 10, I think 10 is a minimum. I'm always shocked. I met someone this Sunday in the perfume store at Osme, talking to him, and he said he sprays 2 to 3. If he goes over 3, he feels like he's like gone crazy. I told him to go watch one of my videos where I sprayed 50 sprays. For those of you who have not watched that video, I actually sprayed 50 sprays and got away with it, meaning I don't wear 50 sprays all the time. It was to prove a point, to show an exaggerated point or hyperbole, to show that you can actually get away with much more than you would ever think. No one complained, no one said anything, no one was choked out. And I was in the store around other people for hours, okay? So, needless to say, 2 to 3 is not enough. 5 to 6 sprays, I still say not enough. Go with 10. My theory on this is go with more until someone says something. If someone says something, then you dial it down. But the reality is 2 to 3 sprays, you're never gonna get a compliment. You're just not. Maybe you'll get one randomly because someone happened to get in close to you, but you're never gonna get a compliment. Now, I'm not saying that's what you're looking for. I don't look for compliments. It's not why I wear fragrances. But the reality is a lot of people do. There's nothing wrong with it. We all wear fragrance for whatever reason we want. We love perfume and fragrance. You're never gonna get it. Here it is, real quick. Again, just to show you how I do my sprays. This is what I do every morning. So I start out, I go 1, 2, 3. So front side, middle, and the other side, left side of my neck. So I go 1, 2, 3. Then I go 2 in the back, 1, 2. So that's 5 sprays on the neck because I like to get in close. This is Miami. We greet and meet people, especially of the other sex, with going in with a hug or a kiss on the cheek. So this way they're getting my smell and they're getting a little bit left on them, which is what I want. I want them to remember me. And if you put it enough on your neck, it's going to actually be kind of transferred onto their skin if they get in close enough. All right, so that's 5. Then I go onto the left arm right here. 1, 2, that's a heat point on your skin, a pulsating point, and therefore it helps emit the spray. Then I actually go back of my left hand, 1 spray. So I like to do that because throughout the day, I like smelling like this. rather than going like this or whatever. I like being able to spray on the back of my hand. Yes, it's when you go to the bathroom or you wash your hands, it's gonna wash off. But I've just gone to the bathroom, I've done everything I need, so I know I won't go to the bathroom for another 3 or 4 hours at this point. So I can smell this right there on my skin constantly. That's how I kind of assess fragrances that I like or not. So very important for me. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I go to the right arm, again, inside the elbow, 2 sprays, 1, 2, 10 sprays. So easy. 10 sprays. By the way, I spray on my skin only, no clothes. Couple reasons. A, because fragrance was meant to be on the skin. It interacts with the chemicals, with the oils, with your own pH, with your own natural smells, creates magic. On clothes, it's more generic. Yes, it will last longer if that's what you're looking for. It will last longer on your clothes, but that's really the second reason why I don't like doing it. I don't wash my clothes after every use. I try to save the environment and also save my clothes. It's not good to wash your clothes after every use. It lengthens their lifespan. So if I haven't done anything exhaustive, I'll put my clothes back, whether it be a shirt or jeans, whatever. And if you've sprayed on the clothes, especially quality niche fragrances or quality designer fragrances, it stays on there for days, sometimes weeks. And I don't want that then next time I put it on to interact with what I'm wearing that day. And I also don't want it in my closet hanging, getting on other clothes, and therefore, quote, contaminating other clothes. So that's, again, personal choice. I get it. Some people like to put it on their clothes because it will last longer and can actually project longer, project farther, I mean, but that's what I do. 10 sprays, there you go, guys. Let me know how many sprays you guys do. Let me know if you're willing to kind of try this, especially if you've been doing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sprays. If you're willing to try this, put in the comments below. I want to hear who's with me on this. And that's about it. I'll be back soon with another video. Thanks for watching as always. Thank you for your support. Remember to subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and of course you can like the video if you like this video. I'll be back soon with another video, everybody. Peace and love.